Today's topic is redox reactions. What is the meaning of redox reaction? It is the combination of reduction plus oxidation. Just you split this part. The first one is reduction plus oxidation. Reduction plus oxidation. This is only redox reaction. That means in a chemical reaction, one is oxidizing, the other one is reducing. Okay, oxidation and reduction, two reactions are there in a single reaction. Then that reaction is known as redox reaction. Now you have to know that what is reduction, then what is oxidation. What is reduction? Then first few examples already you know that. Just tell me. Which is gaining oxygen is reduction or oxidation? Gaining oxygen is based on the oxygen, right? Now, reduction. So, loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. Here, gaining of oxygen. Okay, this is the 10th class definition. Abhi, oxygen. Loss of oxygen is reduction, gaining of oxygen is oxidation, right? It is at class 10th level. Abhi, in the 11th class, not only oxygen, you can take more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom coefficient. So, then loss of more electronegative atom, this thing you have to learn now. Extra. Loss of more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom, generally you can take X and nitrogen. This X means here halogens. Gaining up, right? Next, on the base of hydrogen, gaining of hydrogen is reduction, right? Gaining of hydrogen is reduction. Quite opposite. Loss of hydrogen is oxidation. ये तो अभी 10th क्लास. अभी एक्स्ट्रा ये है, not only hydrogen, more electropositive element. Electropositive element. That means generally metals. Electropositive. कोई भी positive चाहिए. So loss of say electropositive elements. Not only hydrogen, electropositive elements. Based on oxygen means more electronegative atom. Based on less electronegative, that is electropositive element. Then third one, it is for completely new for you. Based on electron also we can decide is it reduction or oxidation. Now, gaining of electron is reduction. Then of course quite opposite, loss of electron is called oxidation. So these three types of definitions generally. And one more, see, it is a sub point in this. Whenever electron gaining, then what will happen? Oxidation number will be decreasing. You will discuss that oxidation number. See, fourth point I can write it here. Oxidation state decreasing. Also reduction. Oxidation state increasing is called oxidation. What is oxidation state? I will explain you. First you note this. Once again I am repeating. Reduction means more electronegative atom like oxygen, halogens, nitrogen, these elements lossing is reduction. More electronegative atoms gaining is oxidation. Next, hydrogen, more electro positive metals or elements, more electropositive elements. Gaining is reduction, opposite. Loss of more electropositive elements is oxidation. Then electron gaining, reduction, electron loss is oxidation. Example, sodium is there. This sodium is forming into sodium plus, right? Oxidation number 0 to +1. What happened here? Oxidation number increasing. You can see the last statement, oxidation state increasing is called oxidation. At the same time, loss of electron. See, loss of electron only this one. Sodium made 11 electron was there first, then now it is 10 electron plus 1 electron. 1 electron lose, the loss of electron is oxidation. Similarly, suppose chlorine is there, taking 1 electron and forming chloride ion. Chloride ion. Gaining of electron. Gaining of electron is reduction. And one more definition you can see, oxidation state decreasing. Okay, say chlorine initially 0 tha, now it's -1. 0 to -1. Decreasing. Oxidation state decreasing also reduction. Gaining of electron also reduction. These are the examples you can write. This example in here, this example here. Many students will confuse that this oxidation state and valence. दोनों में little variation is there. Both are not same. Many students will think that both are same. Tell me here in the H2O, what is the oxygen valency? Oxygen valency. Oxygen valency is 1 or 2? Oxygen valency 2. Hydrogen valency 1. What is the oxygen oxidation state? Oxygen oxidation state -2 +1. Numerically same, but in case of oxidation state we have to show the sign. But in case of valency, no need to show any charge. We should not show any charge. Valency means just it is the combining capacity. Valency means combining capacity. Oxygen can combine with 2 hydrogen. Combining capacity with hydrogen. Or monovalent atom. Monovalent atom. Monovalent atom is the atom which can form only one bond. Generally hydrogen. Okay? So that is the valency. Oxidation state is relatively losing or gaining electrons. Oxidation state is relatively losing or gaining electrons. Gaining electrons. Relatively losing or gaining electrons. See here, oxygen initially to 0 tha. Okay, I am writing -2 means what? This meaning is it is taking 2 electrons. From where? From hydrogen. This is one assumption. See, it is not completely taking. In case of NaCl, this 1 electron shifted from sodium to chlorine. It is forming Na plus Cl minus. Here only electron completely transferred. In case of ionic bond, in the no charge. Example, in H2O, oxidation state is -2, hydrogen oxidation state is +1. Here in H2O, oxygen valency is 2, hydrogen valency is 1. Difference -2 +1. Okay, we write this much. And one more example. It is, you see, ये example में oxidation state valency is same, right? But sometimes it's not required. Both are same or different भी हो सकता है. Suppose NH4 plus. In this NH4 plus, what is the valency of nitrogen? Valency. Nitrogen to underline that. What is the valency of nitrogen? 4. Why? Nitrogen is connected with 4 hydrogens. Valency means what? Bond capacity. Nitrogen is connected with 4 hydrogens. That to monovalent, right? Then what is oxidation number? Oxidation number C. तो एक हाइड्रोजन +1 होता है. Total 4 hydrogens are there. Total +4. +4 में 1 plus already is there. That means nitrogen is -3. See how to calculate? If you don't know, that is take it as x. Nitrogen का x we don't know. Then x plus how many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens. 4 into each hydrogen is +1. The total charge how much? +1. Total charge +1. Then x is +4. If you take it that side, -4. So +1 -4. That means -3 is your answer. Okay, written this way. So valency and oxidation number may or may not be equal. Charge में तो 100% different है. Sometimes valency and charge, valency and oxidation state equal भी हो सकता है. Sometimes may or may not be. Right? This is the main difference. Understood now? Note down. Next, rules for oxidation number. Oxidation number or oxidation state. The first one, everyone note down continuously. For neutral atom, or molecule, total oxidation number equal to 0. Atom में तो only one atom is there, but it is applicable mainly for molecules. Next, in the same point, individual atoms, oxidation number or oxidation state, both are same, is 0. Examples I am giving: nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Oxidation number क्या है सबका? Oxidation state equal to 0. Now suppose H2O, CO2, okay, NH3. इसमें total oxidation number equal to 0. Total oxidation state equal to 0. Individually atoms are different है, ठीक है? Total oxidation state is 0. Next, individually how to calculate? Later we can practice. Next, second point. For ion, the oxidation state, the total oxidation state equal the total oxidation state or oxidation number equals charge on ion. Example, H minus, इसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या है? -1. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट -1. One more example, CO3 2 minus, CO3 2 minus, total oxidation state equal to minus or minus. Total equal to minus. Individually we will calculate. Third point. Without exceptions, all first group elements, oxidation state is +1. First group element. That means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Always +1 only. There is no exception. Next, fourth point. All second group elements oxidation state is +2. Second group elements: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Radium radioactive element, don't take much. Next, fifth point. Fluorine always shows -1 because fluorine से इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने वाला कोई नहीं पूरा पीरियडिक टेबल. Fluorine always -1. Next, 6. Oxygen में in oxides -2, in peroxides -1, in superoxides -1/2. Example, K2O, K2O2, KO2. Example, potassium oxide, potassium peroxide, potassium superoxide. Then sixth point only continue. Oxygen will shows +1 and +2 with fluorine. Only one case, that is with fluorine. Remaining all cases it is minus only. Okay, in this -2, -1, -half, 3 are there. Again, positive oxidation state is with only fluorine. Example here, O2 F2, then OF2. In OF2, fluorine is always -1, so -1 plus -1, total -2 means obviously the oxygen will get +2 because it is a -1. Here -1, total -2 means here it should be +2. So +2. Of course, here one oxygen is +2. Here two oxygens together +2. That means oxidation number +1. Okay. So if the question is asking in the O2F2, what is the oxidation number? What to write? +1 or +2? You have to write +1 only. So total together +2. Even though oxidation number always you have to represent per atom. Per atom you have to. So note point लिख लो. Note. Oxidation state always shows or always represents per atom. Each one atom, how much it is showing, that is per atom, right? Oxygen over. Next, seventh point. hydrogen. Hydrogen generally +1. Generally +1 with non-metals. With non-metals. -1 with metals. You can write here examples. HCl is there. In the HCl, H plus Cl minus. Okay. If you take H2O +1 -2. If you take NH3 -3 +1. But in case of metals, sodium hydride Na plus H minus, magnesium hydride +2 -1, calcium hydride or aluminium hydride +3 -1. See, I am writing here -1 -1 -1 only. I am not writing -3 here. Okay, why? We should write per atom what is showing. That is only we have to represent here. Okay, right. Got down. Next, last one. Maximum oxidation state. Maximum oxidation state equal to generally group number maximum इतना हो सकता है group number और 10 minus group number -10, group number -10. Plus 7 okay, maximum equal. Okay. Or you can write here it is equal to maximum oxidation state equal to number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons. Number of valence electrons. Okay, here important thing. Group number, right? Suppose chlorine is there. Chlorine ka oxidation number, it is actually 17th group, right? 17th group. So maximum oxidation number 17 minus 10, that means +7. 7 plus 7 it can show. So group number, we can say in general halogens are -1. Okay, then it can show +1, +3, +5, +7. +1, +3, +5, +7. Next, what is the point number 9 or 8? 9. So, halogen. Halogen, the fluorine already we discussed. Only -1. Only -1. Next, chlorine. Chlorine in generally -1. -1 is general. Right? But it can show +1, +3, +5, +7 with only 2 elements are there more than this electronegativity. Those are fluorine comma oxygen. With fluorine comma oxygen. Simple concept is कोई भी एलिमेंट उससे मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट के साथ इट कैन शो पॉजिटिव ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट है तो नेगेटिव ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. एज सिंपल एज दैट. ओके, नेक्स्ट ब्रोमीन इज देयर. ब्रोमीन in generally -1 as well. It can show +1, +3, +5, +7 along with fluorine, oxygen as well chlorine. Because chlorine and bromine is less electronegative than chlorine. Okay, suppose here BrCl3 is there. BrCl3, it is a -1. So total -3 means that means it is a +3. Bromine is +3. Similarly, iodine. Iodine is in generally -1. It can show +1, +3, +5, +7 with fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and oxygen. Understood? With more electronegative atoms, these are showing positive oxidation states. Note down this.